No yeast pizza dough, Puglia Italy flavors. This dish it's called pizza pugliese. The best part is that it is a no yeast pizza dough, so you can make it in under 30 minutes. Ingredients: 1.5 cups Italian flour roux, 190 grams. Half cup water, 100 milliliters. A drizzle of a high-quality extra virgin olive oil. Half teaspoon salt. 1 teaspoon baking powder. 3.5 tablespoons tomato passata. Salt and pepper to taste. A dash of oregano. 4 slices onion. 80 grams mozzarella cheese. Preparation: start by measuring the flour and placing it in a bowl. Add the salt and baking powder and mix well. I am using baking powder instead of the regular yeast to obtain a pizza dough that is delicious but doesn't take 2 hours to rise. Fill half a cup of water and add a drizzle of olive oil to add extra flavor to your dough. Pour the water into the bowl and mix everything until you get a dough that is neither too dry nor too sticky. Roll the dough to form the shape of a regular pizza. I am using a silicone mat, but you can use parchment paper or grease your dish. Next, pour the passata into a small bowl and season with salt, pepper, and oregano. Don't forget to add a drizzle of a good extra virgin olive oil for extra flavor. Then spread the sauce over the dough. Time to top the pizza with the onion slices and the mozzarella cheese. Bake for 15 to 20 minutes in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius. Take the pizza out of the oven, slice and serve. Buon Appetito. Tips: this pizza should amount to around 700 calories. If you want to add extra flavor without the extra calories, you can add these pitted olives.